Okay, now this next drawing, or this next model, or next point in your triangle, I'm going to show you how to go from your model to your drawing. Now on the other one, I know I made a mistake and I was calling it an equilateral triangle, but it's an isosceles triangle that I created, so I apologize for that. Alright, so your first step is you go up to File, Make Drawing from Part, and we're going to use a C landscape size sheet that's 22, I don't know why that says feet, that should be inches by 17, so hit OK here. Alright, just drag the top view of the part in. Okay, first thing you're going to do is obviously we're going to change the scale of this guy, and we're going to make it a 1:1 size scale. And then you are going to basically make sure the title block is good. Let's come over here on sheet format, just make sure everything's 1:1. Right click, go into properties, and also make this scale 1:1. So when we plot it off, that we know exactly it's going to be the right size. Alright, so then first things I'm going to want you to go into your history tree here. Then under this sketch, I'm going to want you to right click and hide that. Oh, I'm sorry, not that one. You want you to show that one. I want you to hide this reference sketch. Alright, to have the object line show up greater, I want you to hold your control key down, select the 3 lines of the triangle, and change the line weight down here from this to that, so it shows up bold. Then let's do some dimensioning. Let's dimension some angular dimensions or angular lines. And then let's do some length dimensions of the sides of the triangle. Come on, click in there. What's going on here? Alright, so I'm going to bring that guy back down. Alright, that's just to confirm the type of triangle you have. Might as well do one on the base here. Okay, there's your model. Here's the drawing that we're working on. And then here's the example that I put on in Canvas. So what I'd like you to do is label your triangle with this basic text box. So from here, you go up to Note, and then you can just drag the note anywhere because you'll drag it somewhere later. I'm going to throw like a 36 font in there. And start with names, blah blah blah, triangle, and you just look at the example for this. Okay, once that's done, you'll click it into place, click it on your drawing, locate it. I'm going to delete the original one, and then just take this guy, this leader. You come over here where it says leader, change the type of leaders, so you can actually, it's this one, and then drag that leader to the center point so it points at the center, and then kind of just position that right in there. Once that's all done and it matches what obviously doesn't match, the triangle shape doesn't match my shape, but this part, the dimensioning, you're showing the triangle theorem from the vertice to the midpoint, showing where the CG is, then you should be good. And since I'm at home, I can't show you exactly how to plot from here, but I'll go through that plotting in class. So again, make sure you got the heavy line weight dimensioned, and you should be good.